Welcome to LitExtension. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily import your products into Shopify using a CSV file. I'm going to break down the process into 4 simple stages. Get a Shopify sample CSV file, work with the file, import the CSV file to Shopify, and check your products. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Products. Now, you'll see a button that says Import. Click on that button. Before we start importing, let's grab the Shopify sample CSV file. This will show you exactly how your product data should be formatted. You can open the CSV file in any spreadsheet editor like Google Sheets or Excel. Let's take a closer look. As you can see, it's organized into columns. The most important ones are handle, a unique name for each product. This is important for Shopify to identify your products, especially when you're updating existing ones. Title, the name of your product as it will appear in your store. There are also optional columns you can use to add more details about your products, but we'll focus on the essentials for now. Remember, it's crucial to keep the column order exactly as it is in the sample CSV file. Don't rearrange, move, or delete any headers, as this can cause problems during import. Now fill in your product information. Just follow the same format as the sample file. If your product has no variants, like different sizes or colors, then you can enter all the details for that product in a single row like this. For products with variants, you'll enter the main product details in the first row, including the URL for the first image. In the next row, re-enter the handle, leave the title, body, HTML, vendor, and tags columns empty. Fill in the details specific to that variant, like size, color, price, and the URL for the image of that specific variant. If your images are on your computer, upload them to Shopify first. To do that, go to the content section in your Shopify admin, click Files, and then click Upload Files. Once your images are uploaded, you'll get a URL for each one. Just copy and paste those URL into your CSV file. If you're unsure about any fields, the Shopify help documentation in the video description we put below has detailed explanations. Once your CSV file is ready, export it and return to the import page in Shopify. Now, click on Add File and select your CSV file. Then click Upload and Preview. Then, Shopify will now analyze your file and you will see a preview of your import. Carefully review it to make sure everything looks right. If there are any errors, you can fix them in your CSV file and re-upload it. Once everything looks good, click Import Products. Shopify will start importing your product. This might take a few minutes depending on how many products you have. When the import is complete, go to your products page and check out your newly imported items. Make sure the images are there, the variations are set up correctly, and all the details look good. Let's take a look at this example t-shirt we just imported. As you can see, all the fields we filled in the CSV file are here. The title, the image, the variants. You can always edit these details later if you need to. Here are a few tips to make your import process even smoother. Test with a few products first to catch any errors. Accuracy is key to a successful import. Just in case, it's always a good idea to have a backup. Let's be honest, handling large CSV files and image uploads can be a real headache, especially with a massive product catalog. Customizing those files for Shopify can eat up hours. But don't worry, LitExtension is here to make things a whole lot easier for you. We seamlessly migrate your customers and orders using Shopify API to ensure accuracy and efficiency. We maintain the links between your products, categories, and orders so your store structure stays intact. We offer 301 redirects and SEO migration tools to help maintain your search engine ranking. By eliminating the need for time-consuming manual CSV preparation and image uploads, LitExtension frees you up to focus on what truly matters. First, find the LitExtension Store Migration app in the Shopify App Store and install it. It's completely free to install, so no worries there. Once installed, open the app and choose the platform you're migrating from. LitExtension supports a ton of platforms, so you're likely covered. Choose your source platform and follow the simple steps. Next, select the data you want to import like products, customers, and orders. Or simply choose Select All to migrate everything. Beyond that, you can also choose additional options such as creating 301 redirects, preserving order IDs, and more. You can also map your language for multilingual sites. What's more, you can manage the display of order statuses in your new store using our order status mapping option. If you encounter any issues, click on the chat icon at the bottom right, and one of our migration experts will address your concerns shortly. Before committing, you can run a free demo migration for 200 entities. This gives you a preview of how everything will look in Shopify. Once you're satisfied with the demo migration, you can proceed to the payment and start the full migration. And that's how you bulk import data into Shopify using the powerful LitExtension app. Congratulations! If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips and tricks.